Hello guys, welcome on my channel. Today I'm going to show you my third canvas. Hope you may enjoy it. Painting is also one of the most enjoyable hobbies one can have. I will try to make a very cute nature girl and I will try my best to make it. Mm, let's see. You might just be a beginner, but with time and practice, you will find that your motor skill have increased. Painting is a great way to relax. As you focus on your subject, the stress release and your entire body feels calm and relaxed. Painting also boosts creativity. Paintings are always the painter's mode of expression. People can communicate even their deepest thoughts with the help of paintings. This is one healthy release of one's emotion. Today, I will use yellow, red, white, and green color. Painting also improve your self-confidence. Once you know that the hard work you have put will give you good results, you feel motivated. This way you also see things with a very positive mindset. I love light pink color. When I was 5 years old, I loved to play with colors. I always used to my pencil color. In my opinion, everyone should have hobbies. There are lots of benefits of hobbies. It gives freedom to express. It gives wings to the creation, to the fly. I have only 3 and 4 colors. Colors are variable. I have only this brush. I have ordered brush and color, fabric color and oil color also, oil paint also. I love bees. I love flower, sea, mountains, leaves, jungle. Humming of words. I draw in every mood. It helps me put my emotion on the canvas. As you know, this is my third canvas. I'm using a marker. Painting helps establish concentration. I don't know what will be happen next. In this time I'm feeling so glad, I'm feeling so happy. Oh, now I'm using my orange sketches. I feel very happy when I complete a painting and my friends admire my work. One of my friends, Bhavna, she's so humble by nature and kind too. The beauty of colors blending into each other can't be easily expressed in words. There's no words to say. When I start painting, I forgot everything. I forgot everything. I love painting. I love painting since childhood. I like nature beauty. I like nature beauty. So I love to paint nature girl, trees, mountains, walls, lakes, sunrise, sunset, shore, river bank, seaside. I fulfill my hobbies in my free time. This is my free time. I have few hobbies. including painting, cooking detox food, in the end, I want to say that everyone should have one hobby. It helps a lot in daily life. It helps to build your social image. In the end, I'm making a sun. This is the great way to relax. Here is my second and third and first canvas.